In this video, we will take a look at an Arduino-based Arcade Cyclone game. Head over to the Arduino IDE and click on Files. Go to Examples and navigate to the Arcade Cyclone sketch. You can find the program files in the GitHub link given in the description below. At startup, the OLED shows the STEM Smart Labs logo and then loads the game and retrieves the high score from EEPROM. This is a simple game. You have to press the button when the red LED overlaps the green LED. Each hit scores a point and a miss costs a life. You can reset the high score anytime using the switch, and then the OLED display shows your score, high score, and remaining life. When the game ends after 3 misses, a game over message is shown. The game then restarts automatically after a few seconds. It is a fun way to test your reflexes and learn how to use EEPROM, NeoPixels, and displays with Arduino. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.